You used to stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with this life like crazy.
Pero antes de comenzar, hoy quiero enseñaros el mejor sitio para conseguir tus claves de Windows y Office de forma rápida, barata y segura. Godeal24. Godeal24 es una tienda online de claves de software, en la que puedes encontrar claves de Windows 10 profesional, como la que estoy comprando ahora, además de otros productos de Microsoft y juegos. Ahora están de promoción por Halloween. Consigue hasta un 50% de descuento en tus claves de Windows y Office, en pocos pasos. Puedes conseguir tus claves de activación y al mejor precio. Añadimos al carrito. Ingresamos el código de descuento. Verás que el descuento se ha aplicado. Seleccionamos registrarnos o comprar como invitado. Rellenamos nuestros datos. Confirmamos y nos lleva a la pasarela de pagos. Confirmamos. Seleccionamos el método de pago. Y listo. Windows 10 Pro. Por menos de 12 € usando el código HR20. Office 2019 Professional Plus. Con un 50% de descuento usando el código HR50. También podrás encontrar otros productos de Windows y Office con descuento. Recuerda usar el código HR20 o HR50 al realizar tu compra. Continuamos con el vídeo.
And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. And when I fall to be there and I'll wait to save me, a superhero in your a superhero in You called my soul when I was falling. You moved the clouds to stop me from hitting the ground. And every goal there was a meaning. For this love ain't kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. And when I fall to be there and I'll wait to save me, a superhero in your sleep. A superhero in your sleep.
I know we grew up a little too fast. I miss the days that we chill and relax. Where did the time go? It all passed. Now I need to go back. I had no worries, but always had plans. The only thing I did was dig at the trash. Now it's much harder to laugh. Hard to get up and then work on my craft. I need inspiration. Don't need no validation. No more medication. Just try some meditating. I don't need you to save me. Feel like all of you hate me. Everything's been so hard with all the situations lately. I just need to numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain. Oh, I just wanna numb the pain. I just wanna run away. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain. Well, maybe I'm done, maybe I've lost. Still putting up a fight because I love my mom, I love my family. When I was young, they would all look after me. I don't know why, but I feel like a burden. I spent my life overthinking my purpose. Can't really cry, I'm so used to the hurt. Trauma creeps up at me at the wrong moment. Oh, I just wanna numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation.